Oh, hey guys, so today is day 3. I'm not sure in what sequence I'll be, you know, posting the videos, but just wanted to let you know the plan for today. It is from Chikmagalur, we are checking out, and from there we are going to Bhadra, and from Bhadra we'll be heading to Agumbe, and if time permits, or if it's 6 by then, we don't want to take the risk of riding over the guards during the night just for safety purposes and all about the scare of wild animals. So yeah, we head back to the bike and start the vlog. There's the so we don't have plans to fuel up for the day, as in not for the day for now until we reach Bhadra. So once we reach Bhadra, from there hopefully we'll be heading towards Agumbe. And let me put the map first. 2 minutes. So yeah, let's go. You can go straight. There's no space. I think this is the route because that is a one way. So we'll take this and then. ರೋಡ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ರೋಡ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಲಾರಿನ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ? Are you okay to go like this?
So yeah, guys, as I told you earlier, we are heading towards Udupi, but then a couple of friends of Srinivas are waiting near Bhadravati Dam since they have a safari plans in the lodge called as the River Turn Lodge. So this lodge provides safaris. So they are staying for another couple of days over there. So we thought like since we are going to Udupi, Bhadravati is on the way. So we thought like we can also check out the Bhadravati Dam and also visit their friends. So just wanted to go for it. So it will take an hour or so for us to reach over there. So once I reach, I'll continue the vlog. And also, I haven't seen the Bhadravati Dam before, so it's a good chance for me to visit that place as well. And the plan for the day is not that organized. We might end up the day in Agumbe itself if we reach the place before 6. If we cross Agumbe post 6, then I don't think so. We will be heading towards Udupi. So that's something that we need to think about because we are not going to take the risk to ride through the Ghats over the night. So which is not at all safe. So we're just thinking about it. So once we reach there, we'll continue the vlog. Let's go.
Take some. Oh.
So yeah, guys, the most annoying part in a motovlogging is you guys know that we fixed the GoPro, but what happens is all of a sudden when we are in the process of recording, from nowhere it just gets hung up and just gets rebooted. So this is the most annoying part while we go on trips. Since this is the first time and it was very irritating for both of us. So now, if you would have seen the previous clip, the same thing happened to Sriniva's GoPro. This happens to mine as well. So if you guys are interested to get a GoPro, be ready for this. And if any issues like these happen, just think that this is a common issue that happens in GoPro, and I think they are figuring out ways to do this, but I'm not sure how far they are in the process. But it's a very serious concern. I know they're not gonna check out my videos and take this as a feedback, but still wanted to let you guys know about the cons of GoPro. This is one cons of GoPro. So just keep it in your mind before getting it. Just be ready for it. Just wanted to, register this in the video. Cool. So we have finally reached the Bhadravati Dam. If you can see the water, how bluish it is, it's just amazing and beautiful. Another 300 to 400 meters, we will be reaching the River Turn Lodge, where Sriniva's friends are waiting for us. So this is the bridge. It's so nice. It looks damn good. Very beautiful place. I just loved it. So we'll be heading towards the River Turn Lodge and then spend a couple of minutes with them and then head back to Agumbe.
Are they in? Are they in? Oh, so yeah, guys. So we came. You would have seen the video. We came across Bhadravati Dam. So heading back towards it. So Srinivas wanted to meet some of his friends who has come here for a safari. So the name of this resort is Riverton Lodge. They undertake all kind of JLRs, jungle safaris. So yeah. This is the place, you can check it out. I'm not sure about the prices. They told that it's around 25k per person. Yeah, for 3 days it's worth it. You get unlimited food, buffet system, and also a couple of other stuffs. Cool. Let's head towards Bhadra, take some pics, and move on. Yeah. So yeah, guys, this is the Bhadravati Dam. So you can see how blue the water is. I'm not sure if the GoPro is making justice to it, but it's just amazing. And I told you, right, I just showed you the River Turn Lodge. Such a beautiful resort, but couldn't go inside because of few restrictions. And what else? Next we'll be heading towards Agumbe. We're planning to have a stay in Agumbe and then go to Udupi, because a couple of people that we met told us that there are a couple of good places to visit in Agumbe, and such a beautiful place. Haven't been, I didn't even see much pictures over there, so I was like, yeah, why not, let's give a try. So let's see how it goes. So far it's a day 3 and it's just amazing. Both of us are vibing together and it looks good, it looks like a good combo. And yeah, let's head towards Agumbe and let's go with the super view. Bye. So this is how a proper jungle looks, by the way. And what is it? Looks amazing. So all good. Yeah, well, we were heading back to Agumbe, on the way to Agumbe, and we found an interesting place. The name of the place is Tunga Stop, a small coffee shop, and then we have the Biryani Cafe. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but looks amazing. It's just 10 days they have opened this, and yeah, it looks just amazing. So yeah, I can show it here actually. So when you guys are back from Bhadra or on the way to Agumbe, you can actually head to this place. Good. They currently have only biryani, chicken biryani and kebab, which does the job. So let's go to Agumbe and then continue our vlog. Oh, so yeah guys, so this is the the cafe. We had a good lunch. I ordered a biryani, chicken biryani and a chicken kebab. We had a bread omelette and a coffee. Good though, worth the price. It came around 500, not bad. And we're done with the lunch. Let's head towards Agumbe. Let me type the mount. Oh, done. Put ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಾ ಏರು fuel top. We are leaving this place, had a cup of coffee, and let's go to the Rio, which I was eagerly waiting for. So let's go.